fucking spreadsheet on the... A nice loud voice. There is a way around it. The table for the party food. Oh, that's a bit weird, but table. They weren't arguing, they weren't... Isn't the creativity of children an amazing thing? So this is the thing that girls have and that's on the internet. And how old are you, Joel? Carry with you at all times. Is we used to then... It wasn't a great part, do you? Because you could jump to... of blokes fixing stuff. Lined up in the tubes. Oh, I've seen this one. And as soon as my head hit the pillow... schedule it! So, you've got some more great comedians coming up. Like gigging on a fucking ward.